Doge fam, welcome back to the channel guys, and I would like to give shout out to all the subscribers, everybody, all the diamond hand, even all the basically weak Nancy's and the paper hand, because probably because of what I've been saying, because of all the things that we've been basically discussing here on the channel, maybe you made that informed decision and you didn't sell your Doge. So let's get straight to it guys. Basically what's happening now, it's really great in the market. Everything is green, which is awesome guys. So let's go and let's dive in and see what's going on. So let's take a look at the whole market cap in general, and let's take a look. So it's 1.75, which is going up 4.13% today. Bitcoin sitting at $38,880, up by 4.17%, $728 billion market cap. Ethereum sitting at $2,833, up by 4.73%, $326 billion market cap. And we have the lovely Dogecoin sitting at number 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 as well, which is really amazing guys. Fantastic news for our Dogecoin, sitting at 41 cents, and we're down by 3.51%. And I've been telling you guys, $53 billion market cap, which is really great. We're just close to Cardano by only $6 billion. And like I've been telling you guys, just like what happened in 420, just like what happened in SNL, it's just the same narrative looks like. So we're gonna have to see that decrease maybe around the Coinbase listing, and it's all about Bitcoin. Like I told you guys, if Bitcoin start hitting above 40,000, we might see a big basically run for all the crypto market, because everything related to Bitcoin and what's going on in the Bitcoin space. Other than that, you know, a Dogecoin sitting at really high number, even though Bitcoin is not even jumping to the 40,000 level. So obviously there must be, you know, maybe the resistance level will be around 45 cents for this. And let's see what was the all-time high. It was the same 44 cents, which is amazing guys. So we want to wait and see. Basically the Coinbase listing is around 9 basically a.m. Pacific time. So we still have a couple of hours, I guess, in order for us to see what's going to happen. But from now we look like we are down. So maybe we're gonna have to see that basically downtrend again, just like what happened around SNL, just like what happened around in the time of basically 420. And on top of that guys, there's a lot of FUD and misinformation in the marketplace. The usual thing that's happening, all basically the financial institution, all the whales try to manipulate the market so they can basically drive the price down and they can buy for cheap. And you can see most of basically most of the news is about the Coinbase listing, but it's not the Coinbase listing guys. This is the Coinbase Pro listing. Okay, Coinbase Pro listing. So that's why we have to understand the difference. Now Coinbase Pro is around 30 million, and Coinbase, the normal one, is around 53 billion, around that. So it's really amazing. We're gonna see a huge mainstream adoption in the next 4 weeks. That's what they're said, but maybe it's gonna be a little bit earlier. We have to wait and see how long is that gonna take. And we might hear, like I said, on the 9th of June, Elon Musk, the Doge father, talking about Tesla accepting Dogecoin. We have the upgrade 1.21, like I told you guys, smart contract for Doge. We have the lower the transaction fees basically process, where they're working on it, on that upgrade to 1 cent. Like I said, the things are really looking good, and we are basically heading toward, you know, the wolf guys, to the moon. That's where we're heading, and things are looking really great for the market, especially for, you know, for Doge. Even though like Bitcoin is not even, you know, budging, is not even hitting that, you know, the $40,000 mark, and still we are able to stay and still, you know, be competitive. And we are number 5 on the marketplace. Obviously Tether is not concerned, so just number 5 at the moment, which is really awesome guys. So make sure you turn that notification on guys, because I'm gonna be coming with more news and basically showing you what's happening in the Doge space, so you can make your informed decision. It's not a financial advice. This is just basically my opinion, pure opinion about what's going on in the market. A lot of FUD, a lot of misinformation in the market, and I think the fear and greed chart is still very high, because people are still panicking. And you can see what's happening. Look at this, 40, almost 47. So 47, which is really big, really big. So probably we're shifting back to the greed, you know, we're shifting back to the greed side, and that's a little bit good, you know. We like balancing. So like what we've been discussing guys, in June we're gonna have to see a good run for Dogecoin, a good run for the whole crypto space. And I'm positive. Like I said guys, I've been telling you guys, it's all about just, you know, like understanding and believing, having the conviction that you believe in this coin. My Doge fam, my Doge community, we believe in Dogecoin. We know Dogecoin is going to become the cryptocurrency of the future. We have Elon Musk, we have Mark Cuban, we have a lot of major catalysts behind this, and we're gonna have to see it. We're gonna have to see that $1 very, very soon. That's how I see. That's my opinion, not a financial advice. I appreciate you tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Doge to the moon. Whoop whoop.